Hey up guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? Today I'm going to be doing a bit of a cowboy job and fixing my bike. Putting this pedal into the person I bought it off had cross-threaded it and they've absolutely got rid of any thread in there whatsoever, so there's nothing. So my idea is I'm going to use some kind of glue, some resiny kind of glue, to fasten that in position, because it's broken anyway. This is broken, so I'm going to have to buy a new pedal anyway. This is broken, so I'm going to have to buy a new one of them anyway. So I might as well have a go at just sort of welding it in, cold welding it in, and see if that works for the time being. And then when it fails, either glue it again or do it properly. You know, this is a cowboy job. Yeah. The first problem I've got is the hole doesn't go all the way through, so this pedal doesn't go through. So the dodgy job that I'm going to do requires it to be able to go all the way through. There's a tiny little bit of thread left underneath, but the thread on this is completely knackered anyway. I've tried even screwing it on from underneath, and it's lefty-tighty on the left hand one, and it still wouldn't go in. So what I'm going to have to do is somehow drill that out, bore the hole out a little bit more, ream it out, and then I'll be able to get that into position, get the weld stuff round it, and then leave it for 24 hours and see what happens. Alright, so I've got myself a big drill bit, big metal drill bit. All I'm going to do is ream this out here so the pedal fits in it. So at the moment it won't go all the way in, so all I'm going to do is ream it out. That's a good old word, isn't it? Here we go then. I can see bits of metal coming off, so it's working, but is it working in the right place? Is it just making this end bigger and the bottom end not doing anything? Yeah, that's what it looks like it's doing. So I'm going to turn the bike over and have another go that way. You see the little metal bits coming out? That fit in there? Not yet. I hope this works. Yeah, it's getting there, it's getting there. So I've managed to ream that out, and it actually fits in now, and it does tighten up. But because of the way that the thread was destroyed, and of course where I've just been drilling it out as well, there's not enough grip for it. So this is what I'm going to do, is screw it actually in, so it will take a little bit of a grip, or it did earlier anyway. I just went out on the bike and thought, oh, I wonder if that'll be enough thread to hold it in, but it wasn't. And looks like me going out on the bike is, oh no, it is just nipping there. So once I get the weld in there, the cold weld, the glue, the epoxy, whatever it is, all mushed in there, that'll hold it tight, I'm pretty sure. We'll see, won't we? So this is the stuff, JB Weld. It's apparently set time is 4 to 6 hours and it's supposed to set like metal, and the cure time is 15 to 24 hours. So I'm going to put it on now, leave it in position overnight. Well, I probably will give it the 24 hours before I actually try it and see what happens, basically. So yeah, I'm going to pop some gloves on for this, because that was clever, wasn't it? Highest, finest quality gloves. Right, so it says mix it 1 to 1. So this one says steel, and this one says hardener. It doesn't matter because we're mixing them 1 to 1. Right, I don't know how much I need. Piece the top like that. Don't know whether you can see. I'm sure you knew that. So squirt some of the steel on. I don't know. Let's go with that much. Looks about the same. And give it a good mix up. I'll put the price up on the screen so you know. Right, here we go. Let's fill that hole. It's going to be a bit of a dirty job, but you know, get down and dirty. Somebody has to do it, don't they? So I'm just going to plaster it over the hole. Just like that. And I'm going to screw this in, making sure there's plenty in the top there. Using the 15mm spanner, anti-clockwise on the left side. Let's see what it does. Let me know if you think this is a stupid idea. Come on, tighten up a bit. Yes, I got a little bit of a nip there. Like I said, it's a cowboy job. Yeah! But I had nothing to lose, because the parts need replacing anyway. I think that might have done it. So I'll just leave that there for, how many hours did I say? 4 to 6 or something. And we'll come back to you. Here we are, it's 2 days later. I checked it yesterday. It still felt a little bit tacky to me. So I've just left it another day. What are you waving at?
Reflection.
Oh, Brenda's in the reflection behind, apparently. I don't know whether you can see her. You got your glasses on though. Anyway, yeah, I've had a good look at it, and it does look all right. You can't really push my nail into it. It does seem to have set like metal, which is what it's supposed to do. But the proof is in the pudding. Let's go out and have a little ride about. Or the proof is in eating the pudding. Is that the same? Oh, I don't know. Anyway, let's go out and try it. See what happens. There you go. Pedal is working really good. But I don't think the motor is kicking in. Should have been. Thank you. Right, that's it for now. I hope you've enjoyed it. It seems to have worked. I was just saying, I've just been out on the bike and the pedal hasn't fell off. Not yet anyway. It's always something driving past when you're trying to talk, isn't it? Anyway, yeah, that's it for now. We will catch you next time. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and a like and ring the bell and subscribe. That would be great if you subscribed. Also, if you want to buy me a coffee, I'll probably spend it on beer, but there you go. Right, bye-bye now.